Hi guys, how are you going? All right, so last night it rained a lot, and this morning it's still windy. It's not raining so much, but we have kind of a pond back there now. So the water hasn't come close to our house yet, so that's good. But yeah, we are experiencing the results of the Hurricane Sally. I hope you all are okay. So comment below, tell me how you're going, all right? So this time in our life, with all the natural disasters in the world, I believe it's going to continue to happen, and there's going to be more of it. And it can be quite stressful, and it can be a time that worries us. And it feels like you want to quit and you just want to let go and just do nothing, right? So our job actually is to not let our hearts fail us. So to maintain that faith. So how are you doing? Are you maintaining that faith? Okay. So we actually are privileged to live in this day, though, because I feel like it's the day that is fulfilling prophecies that have been prophesied a long time ago, foretold a long time ago. So in this world, we've got a lot of problems, right? We've got lots of people who are suffering from depression and debt and family issues and divorces, right, and riotings, and we have this lockdown, and we also have in Africa a whole year of locusts and stuff for the poor Africans, the worst in 70 years for people in, I think, Kenya, and it's the worst that they've seen in 25 years in Ethiopia, Somalia, and India. So anyways, it's just really bad, right? So, it's so easy for us to just give up and not go on. But I feel like even though our heartstrings are being pulled right now and we want to just cry, go ahead and cry, right? But we have a choice. Even in this time, we still have a choice. And our choice is to not let the worries take us down. Our choice is to find something useful to do, to give back to the community, to support the community. So I remember my mum told me when we were escaping Vietnam, she said that she didn't let herself go down to the beach and look at the dead bodies. She didn't let herself get sucked into all the fears that everyone else is going through. She wanted to just stay focused on what she needed to do, and she kind of kept herself strong for during that time. It's hard to keep yourself strong, but she said that's what she tried to do, right? And she knew that she had to take her children and escape out of Vietnam. So that's what she focused on. I mean, when she found the boat, she got onto the boat, and it was, days that we didn't eat, and lots of storms and lots of wind and rain. I mean, it was dangerous, right? And then the days and the times that she lost faith, right, and her heart failed her, right, she said, I stepped up and I reminded her of our goal, what we're meant to do. So she said, I told her, we're going to see Dad, we're going to, Australia, we're going to be, reunited again. And I felt like that's sort of the role that I play right now. I want to continue to support you, and we support one another to stay strong. Yeah, go ahead and cry, right? But we need to stay strong and not let our hearts fail us. So it's day 16 of the 30-day cleanse and restore, if you're doing the cleanse with me, and we are using GX Assist. So if we used GX Assist for 5 days already, and I'm on day 16. So if you're keeping track on the chart, okay, we're on day 16. So I thought I'll tell you why this is very timely, right? So the GX Assist is a blend of oregano, melaleuca, lemongrass, peppermint, and thyme. They're hot oils. Again, by the way, I know some people say, oh, you can't drink melaleuca, but there are certain species of Melaleuca that you can take internally, okay? So I trust doTERRA. I trust that they know what they're doing, okay? And the other ingredient is the caprylic acid in the GX Assist. And so all of that helps us cleanse our digestive system, okay, our GI tract. And, you know, the digestive system is about taking, you know, food in, breaking it down, and then absorbing it. So it's sort of like us, you know, taking in all of the things happening in the world, break it down, filtering and discarding the rest. Okay, so that's what we're meant to do. All right, so we can't let those things come into us, weigh us down, and fester inside of us. All right, so let's go through the ingredients. Oregano. Oregano is a very hot oil, okay? It's the oil of humility and unattachment. So that means, you know, we see things for what they are, okay? And then we let things go when we need to let them go. And we have to be unaffected by that. So there's things that can weigh us down, and it's so easy to get sucked into the fears, right? And then you currently, presently in your homes, you know, you sabotage yourself, okay? Sabotage your health and whatever let go. Instead, this is an opportunity to even stay stronger, right? To hold your family closer, to be more positive, read your scriptures more, be more prayerful, okay? The Melaleuca is the oil that helps you, allow you to feel protected, okay? So in other words, I feel like it's faith, isn't it? So allow you to have that divine protection. I mean, think about all the, you know, the biblical stories and other stories in the world where certain people, you know, are protected through their faith, right? You know, the Egyptians escaping the Israelites escaping Egypt, right? They've got soldiers chasing after them. Moses helped part the Red Sea. You know, we sort of have to, you know, not give in to that fear, right? So continually work on feeling protected and trusting that God is here to protect you. And hey, what's the worst thing can happen, right? If we meet him, if we die and we meet him, right? Hey, you know, we can face him, right? Because we've chosen him, right? But, you know, instead of giving up and just doing nothing and then, you know, making things worse by being sad, right? We can step up, step out, and serve the world, okay, and strengthen one another. All right, so lemon oil is the other oil in there. What is it? It's cleansing. It's about focus, okay? When everything is clean, you can see, right? Stay focused on what you need to do. And that reminds me of what my mom did, right? She just stayed focused on where we're going, what we're supposed to be doing. So lemongrass is the other oil, and lemongrass is the oil of positivity. So that means, you know, don't let yourself think negative thoughts, right? I am really grateful for my husband especially and my kids, because sometimes when I do get negative, you know, they point it out. They help me see that. And, you know, we sometimes don't see what we are doing. So we have beautiful family members to help us kind of, you know, remember to stay positive, right? Because that's a better choice in this situation. Peppermint is the oil of the uplifted heart, the lightheartedness. Again, we can't let those things weigh us down, right? And we can't just keep listing them out. We can list out all the good things still. There's so many good things still that we can be grateful for, right? So we get to have that choice. And of course, thyme is the oil of releasing and forgiving. So sometimes I scroll through the social media and I see like people telling people off, right? And I think, well, that's negative energy. How does that negative energy make those people be positive, right? So we should, you know, just stay positive and keep sending out positive vibes, okay? So those are the 6 oils in the GX Assist, okay? So that's what it does. It just helps us cleanse, but you need to be proactively working with it and releasing those negative things and allowing yourself to go to the bathroom more, okay? And, you know, letting that stinking thinking go, right? Identify it and just let it go and keep focusing on all the positive things, right? Stop holding on to the false beliefs, because it's not going to do anyone any good, right? So don't let those fears and the negative emotions fester inside of you. Okay, so remind yourself that fear is not faith. That's what I tell myself all the time. Fear is not faith, Jade. So let it go, let it go. We need to not doubt our heart's promptings. So, you know, as we cleanse ourselves, our hearts will be more in tuned, and we need to live in alignment with God. So make sure that what you do is how you live is congruent to how you should be. Okay, walk the walk. Okay, and not just talk the talk. Okay, so trust in that gut instinct of yours. Feel confident in God and His powers. It's all going to be fine. So I have a few oils to share with you to help you stay strong. Okay, we need to have these skills. Teach your children to have these skills. Teach everyone around you to use these tools, and they're blessings for us. So the first one is elevation. Okay, just smell elevation. Helps you feel uplifted. Okay, help you see the sunshine, the light in every situation. The next one is frankincense. Okay, apply frankincense to your forehead, smell frankincense, apply it to your heart, strengthen the heartstrings so that you can feel Heavenly Father's truth, okay, and it can guide us and help us along, okay. So the other one is peace. Peace is a blend. Apply it to your heart, okay, and allow yourself to receive more peace, okay. So we can just choose it, right? And it's the power of choice is so amazing that you can see changes right away. And the last oil for you is sandalwood. Okay, sandalwood I like to apply to the third eye, okay, and just lift it up like that, and then really allow myself to have divine downloads. It's the oil of sacred devotion. It really helps us with meditation and be able to feel and have clear channels to God. All right, so that's my suggestion for today. So let me know how you're going with the 30-day cleanse, or even if you're not doing the cleanse, share with me how you're doing. Okay, I just wanted to leave this with you. God bless you with love, light, and healing. If you are watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and subscribe, like and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Take care, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.